KA here, and yeah, I want to introduce you guys the next project for the Machine Squad. And unfortunately, no, it's not the 8.6, but that will be on the chopping blocks eventually. So let's go check it out. So wait, try to start on. Yes, boss. Bless up.
Bless up.
Mm-hmm.
Out there checking the vibes.
Mm-hmm. The next Machine Squad project, since Alvin's car is all caught up now, is a 1993 Lexus SC400. This SC400 has been an OG of the group. Kevin, one of the guys in the Quantum Auto Squad, which originally started this group, owned this car, and then he sold it to a guy named Alex, and now it's in our possession. So let me do a quick walk around of this machine. Yeah, so like I said before, this car used to be Kevin's, and this car is unique because it was, I think, the second SC400 to have the Quantum Auto 5-speed W58 conversion, and it is for us. It's a nostalgic car for us, and we are going to bring this old girl back to life. Let's see what we have under the hood. So yes, the good old 1UZ, huh? Yeah, look at this ratness of wiring. So that is the main reason why this thing isn't running right now. Everything else should be working, but we will take everything a step at a time. But yeah, this car was running Mega Square 3X. We have the Mega Square 3X, so we're going to go through all these wires and make sure they are up to standard. If not, we are going to be rewiring this whole engine from scratch. So there's some stuff here that has been done that I am not necessarily a fan of as far as wiring is concerned. So we haven't had the time to sit down and go over all that's needed to be done for this. But like I said, this is the next car on the chopping blocks, and yeah, hopefully you guys will follow us on YouTube to see how this vehicle comes back to life. So should be a quick one.
Let's see how this works. Man,
easy. You guys some real engineers.
What's that? 3 wood screws?
well, what happened was when you get some wire, you get that chicken wire, you got some sheetrock screws. You screw that bad boy in there. We got a Puerto Rican. It's 3 island boys together.
Yeah.
We got some island engineering.